Hello, this is Review Show 100 without a script because I'm going to be watching a video I've never seen before. It's called The Sneezing Baby Panda. I don't know how that got so many views. It wasn't even that good. Well, that's my review. Leave a comment or something of anything else you want me to review.